Hey coffee lovers! Are you tired of weak, flavorless home coffee? Imagine waking up to a rich, aromatic espresso that tastes like it came straight from your favorite cafe, but brewed right in your own kitchen. Today, we're reviewing the Maestri House Espresso Machine series, featuring their black, rose gold, and silver 20-bar compact espresso makers. These sleek machines come with a ULKA professional pump, a built-in flow meter, and a powerful milk frother, all in a stainless steel body that's perfect for any USA kitchen. Let's find out which one brews your perfect cup. Product 1, Maestri House 20-bar ULKA Pump Espresso Machine, Black, 040 to 120. The Black Maestri House Espresso Machine is all about performance in a compact design. With a 20-bar ULKA pump, it delivers rich, bold espresso every time. The built-in flow meter ensures consistent flavor, while the steam one froths milk perfectly for cappuccinos and lattes. Pros: compact yet powerful. Easy to use control panel. Professional grade espresso at home. Cons: small water tank for heavy use. Customer review. Users say this model is a true coffee upgrade, quiet, fast, and gives barista-level crema every morning. Product 2, Maestri House 20-bar ULKA Pump Espresso Machine, Rose Gold, 120 to 2 o'clock. Next, meet the Rose Gold Maestri House, a fan favorite among coffee lovers who also love style. It combines functionality with elegance, the same 20-bar ULKA pump and steam frother, but with a premium rose gold finish that turns any countertop into a cafe corner. Pros: gorgeous design with pro-level brewing. Fast heating system. Easy to clean and maintain. Cons: slightly higher price than the basic model. Customer review. Reviewers on Amazon love its aesthetic, it looks amazing, and the coffee is even better than my Starbucks runs. Product 3, Maestri House 20-bar ULKA Pump Espresso Machine, Silver, 2 to 240. Finally, the Silver Edition brings industrial strength with modern elegance. It's built with stainless steel durability, a precise temperature system, and a professional steam wand for silky latte art. Perfect for families or anyone serious about their daily brew. Pros: sturdy build and long-lasting performance. Excellent heat stability. Ideal for daily espresso lovers. Cons: slight learning curve for beginners. Customer review. Once you get the hang of it, the espresso tastes better than cafe coffee, says one verified USA buyer. Outro. So, which Maestri House espresso machine suits your lifestyle, the sleek black, the stylish rose gold, or the strong silver? No matter which you choose, all three deliver cafe-quality espresso right at home. Check the Amazon links below for the latest price and deals before they run out. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment which espresso you'd love to try first.